3D printing's magic powders. How titanium, niobium and molybdenum alloys are reshaping the future of manufacturing. From rocket engines to human bones, from smartphones to supercar frames, the wonders of modern industry are being quietly rewritten by a group of metal wizards. They are not Harry Potter's wands, but alloy powders in 3D printing. Today we will unveil titanium alloy, niobium alloy, spherical molybdenum powder, these industrial superpowers, to see how they use a grain of powder, subvert the traditional manufacturing. Titanium alloy, known as the supermodel of the metal, world only 60% of the density of steel, but the strength is comparable to the top alloy, and 3D printing allows it to completely free itself. In the past, it required 100 RTS to assemble the aircraft bracket. Now only a skeletonized structure. The weight is reduced by 40%. Performance explosion points. Lightweight revolution. Boeing 787 分 titanium alloy parts reduce weight by 30% and fuel efficiency soars. Titanium hinges for folding cell phones increase strength by 150%. Medical customization. 3D printed titanium implants perfectly fit the bones, and patients can walk Sundays after surgery. FDA has approved more than 10 types of titanium implants in the past 2 years, covering the spine joints and other fields. Space-grade corrosion resistance. Titanium alloy parts for the International Space Station ISS can withstand cosmic radiation and extreme temperature differences, with a service life of more than 20 years. The global titanium powder market size of $214 million in 2023万 will soar to $4 billion in 2032. Platinum light alone has expanded its annual production capacity of titanium powder from 800 tons to 3,000 tons, and the demand still exceeds the supply. If titanium is the lightweight idol, niobium alloy is the tough guy out of hellfire. Melting point of 2468 摄氏度 superpower, so that it has become a space engine. Nuclear reactor armor. Characteristics revealed. Temperature resistant sealing. Niobium tungsten alloy nozzle makes the rocket thrust 15% higher and life 3 times longer. Superconducting black technology. Niobium titanium superconducting wire made of magnetic levitation coils. Carrying current density is 100 times that of copper. The king of radiation resistance. Niobium zirconium alloys are used in the International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor ITER to face plasma storms. In the process of commercialization of controlled nuclear fusion, niobium alloy will be the ultimate cage to restrain plasma of hundreds of millions of degrees. Scientists predict that global demand for niobium powder will quintuple by 2035. Molybdenum powder, the sweeper of industry. It's not flashy, but without it, your cell phone chip might not be built at all. Performance advantages.